Now we've just stopped for lunch, so I want to take a minute to check out Rod's 79. Now I've got a 79 series myself. Just want to check it out and show you guys back at home the automatic.
Hey, what are you up to?
Mate, it must be alarming this door or something, is it? I thought I'd just take the second to check out the auto conversion, mate, because you know I've got a 79 series. Mate, straight away I can tell this is pretty much, looks factory to me.
You like the finish?
Mate, this is insane. You'd assume that you bought this off the showroom floor like this.
You want it to be all genuine, have a genuine finish, a genuine look. The console's handcrafted, but the T-bar assembly is all genuine Toyota. The transmission, genuine Toyota 6-speed automatic out of the twin turbo 200 series. So,
yeah, right.
So the 6 gear itself actually brings the RPM down by another 1,000 RPM over the manual. This one's only doing 1,500 RPM at 100 k's an hour. This thing fully loaded up and out, with 35s, with the rooftop tent and everything, 14 litres per 100.
Where can people go to find out more information about these auto conversions?
Oh, the easiest way is jump on the website, askauto.com.au.
It's easy to remember. Cool, mate. I'll leave you to it. I'll get back in the 30.
Good on you.